Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a 1 knot, 2 knot, 3 knot, total 5 types of flower. So let's get started. So friends, I am making rose. So first for making rose I have taken a pink color sheet. First we will fold it. So friends, from one A4 size paper, I am making one rose. So let's start. I have folded in 4 parts. Let's cut it. So friends, I have cut all the equal size paper. Now we will take one sheet of paper and we will fold like a triangle. Now we will fold a second triangle. Now it will be a heart size. Now we will fold a third triangle, and now our last triangle. Our petal. Now we will make the petals in it. And friends, we do not have to make petals from here. We have to make petals from here. Now we will cut it. Now see the magic. Now friends, we will have a flower. Now we will leave, and now we will make 4 types of flower. So friends, I have made the 4 flowers. Now in this step we have to be careful. We will take first flower and we will cut one petal, only one petal. We have cut one petal. In the second flower we have to cut 2 petals. Now we have cut 2 petals. Now in this flower, now we have to cut 3 petals. Now in the fourth flower and last flower we have to cut 4 petals. Now we will have 8 flowers. Now we will stick. But how to stick? See friends, in this flower we have cut this petal, first petal. Now we will glue here and we will stick this petal. Now we will see friends, I have sticked it. Now we will stick all the flowers like this only. The second petal, we have the third petal flower. Now we will fold this. Now this. Now we will have 2 petals. Okay, and this first and this second. Now friends, you can take pens refill also. I am taking stick. Now we will fold it. Like this. Now we will fold all the flowers Now friends, I have cut all the petals. Now we will stick. I am taking the biggest one, and we will paste second. Now we will paste the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the last petal. Now our flower is almost ready, but in this one, this heart and this one, now we will make this one from this also. First we will fold this. Now we will fold this. Now I will stick in this. See friends, our rose is ready. This is extra piece. See friends, our beautiful rose is ready. So friends, in second flower we have to take only small paper, white small paper, and we will fold it into 4 parts. So friends, we have here 6 rectangles. Now we will take one and we will fold like that only, that we have done in rose. Now friends, here we have to not make that type of petal. Now we have to make this type of petal, some heart like shape. So friends, I have here 6 flowers. Now we will cut. You have how I have cut in rose, that's why I will cut here also. First petal and one here. Now we will cut all. Second petal and one. Let's cut all it. Now friends, I have cut it all. Now we will stick it. Let's stick all like this. Now friends, I have completed all the sticking. Now let's stick it. See friends, our flower is looking so beautiful. See friends, our flower is ready. Now I am taking yellow sheet paper and putting here. So for this flower, I am cutting a thin sheet of paper. Now friends, we will fold it. Now we will fold it. Now we will cut zigzag. See friends, oops, no problem. Now our flower is looking so cute. friends, it's time for third flower. This flower is very beautiful and very easy. Let's start making it. First we will have a paper. Let's cut it. Now friends, I have cut this. Now we will fold it with the help of stick. Let's fold it. See friends, how beautiful it is looking. It is our third flower. Now let's move to our fourth flower. Now friends, I have folded the yellow paper. Now we will make the circle in it. Now friends, I have made the circle. Now cut it. So friends, in this flower we have to fold it like this. Not that much half, but half. Now we will put some glue here and we will stick like this. Now we will make all the petals like this. So friends, I have made all the flowers. Now we will stick here. First flower. Second petal. And the third petal. Let's see. So friends, our fourth flower is also ready. Now we will make the fifth and the last flower. Now fifth flower is very cute and very simple. First we will have square size paper. Now we'll fold it like this, this and this and this. Now we have to cut. Now friends, we will make our last flower. So first we will take this much size. Now we have to follow same steps that we have followed in this. Now let's do. Now we have to cut this shape. Now we will open it. Now we will get this type of shape. Now we will stick it. We will cut one petal. Now we will. Now friends, see, our lily flower is ready. Our lily flower is ready. Now we have made the 5 flowers. Now please comment down which flower is looking beautiful and it was easy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.